I'm Amanda from D&D Party Rentals, and today I'm going to show you how to use our butane burner. When you receive the butane burner from us, you'll receive it in one of these cases. Now within this case is the butane burner itself. It comes like this. But in order to use this, you'll also need some butane fuel, which we have. You can purchase from us. They last up to 2 hours on the highest heat level. So let's get started with the assembly. What you want to do first is take the unit out of the case. Just put the case to the side. So place your unit on a flat surface. Here I'm doing it on a table. What you want to do first is take out the middle part and flip it over, and it sits right on top like so. And then the side part here opens up, and this is where your butane fuel is going to go. So what you want to do is pop off the cap, and then the front part here, there's an arrow that it'll show you. You pop this in, just like so. And you see this little part here just fits right in. And then down here it says unlock and lock. So once your fuel is in, you just want to lock it. And then you can close this like door here. And then you're ready to just fuel it up. So to do that, you just turn this knob. And you're set. The butane burner is great because it's essentially a gas stove, which is portable. And you can use it from camping to catering, basically anywhere where you don't have any cooking facilities available to use. So when you're done using your butane burner, you can put your pots aside. Now you want to wait for the unit to cool down. So for me, let's say it's cooled down, I can touch it now. What you want to do first is unlock. You can pull out your sternal fuel. If you haven't used all your fuel, you can put your top back on and save that for later. Close your door. Now you can lift up this part here, flip it back over, goes right in. Grab your case and put it right back in. And you're all set to go.
Pancakes with bananas.
Ready?
Yeah.